Welcome to the Reserve at Crossing Creek, 3-bed 2-bath pool home. Well-maintained, upgraded and immaculate open and bright floor plan with a huge extended great room, triple sliding doors leading out to a very large covered lanai overlooking a 14 by 28 caged heated pool and large private backyard with landscape lighting and no rear neighbors. Crown molding and plantation shutters add to the finish of this spacious home. Master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet. Vinyl plank floors throughout the home. The kitchen has upgraded 42 inches cabinets with under-cabinet lighting, a large granite island with single stainless deep sink, and all appliances are upgrades. Extra large laundry room with sink. The garage is a 2-car with extended golf cart or storage area. The paver driveway was expanded 4 feet wider for spacious parking, and an additional paver side patio great for grilling and entertaining was added. In-wall pest control system, extra west-facing wall insulation. This community has the best of location and no CDD fees. Walk to Braden River High School. Easy access to I-75, minutes to the Gulf beaches like Siesta, Lido, Bradenton, and Anna Maria Island, minutes to Lake.